Hi, welcome to part 1 of my prototyping beginner class to masterclass. In this part, we'll be getting started on the design process of Axure RP 9. So without any delay, let's get started. To get started, we will have to set the page dimension for the target device which we are designing for. And for this class, the targeted device which we are designing for is iPhone XS Max. So I will set the page dimension to iPhone. Okay. It has given me the font size which I want to design for. Then I will bring in my box. I will just click and drag it. So to increase the box, it's two ways. You can click on the box, then hold shift and drag it so that it will give you that shape of the box. It will be even when you are dragging it. And then another way is you can come here to style, to location and size. So you can just change it here. This is the width here and this is the height. So you can just set it how you want it. It's also the same, but make sure that your box, it will touch the line here. It should touch the line here, and it should also reach the size. It should be up to the size they have given you here. The same as mine. And I bring in another box and do the same. And just click and drag to increase it. Today is our first class, so first design. Like I said, I'll be starting from the beginner's level. So I just want something simple. We will all design fast. Okay, so the next box. And then I'll color this one. For this one, I want to color it black. Alright, so black. And another thing, the border here, I really don't like it. I like border though, but there are on some design I don't want to see this. You can leave yours there if you want, but I'm removing mine. And I'll bring in my third box. In my third box, I will need, so just, okay, then it's okay now. Just make sure that it's in the middle of the box. Then remove the thickness here, the border thickness. Then the radius here, let's say 7. I want it to be round. Then the visibility here too, you need to open it at the top. Alright, so here we go. Sorry guys, I didn't name my page. I'll name it now. So first, I want to give it a name. First design. First design. And I want to create a logo here. Okay, the logo, I will change the box, the width here, make size 134, and then the width, then the height size, I want it to be 121. Okay, so it's okay now. Then the radius, I want to give it, okay, and the radius, I want to give it 54. Okay. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay, and I'll bring in my second box, and then this the width size to, I will reduce it to 79. Then the height, I will reduce to 78. Then the rotation, I need to do it 54. I need it to rotate. Okay, 54 is okay. Make sure it's in the middle. Alright, then I'll change the color now to black. Alright, then. So, okay. Just want to put a letter to the middle. You can use any letter of your choice. I want to use Q. Then the text color too, so do it white. Then the size, let's say 50. Okay, so now I should fit it here. It's in the middle. So I want it to rotate too. Okay, that's okay. Maybe I want it. Okay, to the middle. So let's preview and see how beautiful our design is. Okay, but I need to trace it in the middle. In the middle. So let me preview and see how beautiful our design is. Okay, I think it's okay now. So today our first class will be designing for 3. So I'll add a page now. Then I will rename the page. I'll name the page second design. Okay, second design. So, or I'll just copy the box here. Ctrl C to copy the box, then Ctrl V to paste it. Paste the box. Then I want to copy the logo here. So Ctrl C and Ctrl V for the logo. Okay, so here we go. I think I need to remove the thickness of the border here. This one. So I need it. Okay. Then I have to bring in a box. Not a box, but text field. Okay, here we go. So for the text field, the width, I want to do it for the text field. I want to do the width 334. Then the height, I want to do it 45. So let's see. Let's try. Okay, and it's okay. Then I need to type in it the text I want in. So I'll just come here to interaction. Then you type it at the bottom here. Hit text. So you just give it whatever you want. I want to do email because it's a form that we are filling. So okay, email. Then I want to style the box. So I'll come here to shadow. Give it a little shadow. Here will be 1. No, sorry, 3. And here. Think the same 3 will be okay. Then the color too. Okay, let's make it lighter. 25. Okay. Okay, let me see. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy. The space between each boxes, do it 20, please. Okay. So just change the name, the same process. So here will be password. Okay, here will be password. And next we'll bring in a button. Okay, so you double click in the button to type whatever you want your text. So I want sign in. Then the color of the button should be black. I'm going to style it now. It's blue, so I'll do it black. Okay. Then shadow too. I want to give it a little shadow. Here 1, here will be 3, and here the same 3. Then the color too of the shadow 25. Okay, let's see. Wow, and it's okay now. So maybe we should preview now and see how it is going. Okay, I think it's okay. No, the logo, the height of the logo. No, sorry, the button, the height of the button. This one is, here is 3, 34, and 45. Sorry. Yes. Okay, so we have our size. And next will be, we need to bring in a text. So, okay. So, we'll do, the text will be all sign in with. So, I need to reduce it to, okay, so I will reduce it to 15, and I'll do it regular. Alright, then it's okay. Okay, then next we'll bring in a box and style the box. So the box, the width, I want it to be 65, and the height, I want it to be 43. No, yeah, 45, 45, sorry. Then okay, so I want to style it a little. Here I'll give it the same style. Here will be 3, but here I'll do it 15. I really don't want the color big. Okay. Here, remove the thickness. And we just copy it and paste it for 3 boxes. Copy it and paste it twice. Okay. Okay, so here we go. It's in the middle. And time to bring in our icon. So logo. Okay, first icon to use here is Google. So this is okay. And next will be Facebook. I'll bring in our Facebook icon. Okay, think it's in the middle. Then now bring in Twitter. Next will be Twitter. Sorry. Okay. Escape. Need to reduce it a little. Okay, let's go and try it and see if I think I need to expand it. Let's see. Let's preview and see how. Alright. Okay, I think it's okay now. So next, I'll bring in the text. I'll just copy the text here. Just copy it here and paste it. So I'll give it don't have an account. Don't have an account. Sign in. Oh no, sign up. Sorry. So here we go. Just want to fit it in the middle. Okay, it's in the middle now. So I'll just copy the same text and paste it here. To get heading, and here there's space in between here. The heading here should be 30. So and give it account detail. Okay, so account details. Let's preview and see how the result of what we just did. Wow, I think it's okay. It's beautiful. Then we have to bring in the page, add a page, but this one will be fast. Just copy and paste, and we are done. The tail, do our tail design. So, tail design. Alright. Let's copy everything in the first design, in the second design, Control A, Control C. Let's copy everything and paste it and do the editing here. So the first one here will be create account. Okay, create account. Then this box we have to copy and paste it. Yes. Sorry. Yes. And change the text inside. That is all. Okay, so that it's a unmute and add confirm. Okay, so confirm to the password. So okay, then lastly we add our button there. Should be 20, and we have to bring this down a little. Okay, the text here. No, not there. Okay. Okay, so alright. Then I just need to drag this one down a little. Okay, so let's preview and see. Sorry. Let's preview and see. Something is missing. I need to. The text here should be bold because it's a heading, so bold. I'll just come here and do the same thing here. Alright, so where? So sorry. Bold. Okay, so now let's wash our first design. Let's wash it all together and see. Okay, this is the first, and this is our second design. Wow. The second design. Okay, so sorry. Okay. Okay, so let's watch our first design. See. Wow. Okay. This is really nice. Now second design too. Alright, so this is also cool. And it's also good. Then the third design too. Okay. Let's see the size here. 15. The size should be 18. Okay, so now let's wash everything together and see the outcome. Wow, this is good, and then it's really good. Then the second one too. Okay, let me preview. Okay, then the third one. Preview.
I'm glad you have made it to the end of part 1 of the beginner class to master class. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.